Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to log in Microsoft Teams using your account. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Microsoft Teams website and find this page. You can do that guys by going to Google and searching for download Teams. You will want to go ahead and open up the first result right here, which is the official Microsoft website, and this will bring you to the site where you can go ahead and download the Microsoft Teams. So before downloading Microsoft Teams guys, you want to go ahead and create an account by clicking the option right here in the upper right corner called sign up for free. You're going to go ahead and click on that guys, and this will open up this tab where you will be able to enter your email and your password, and then you will go ahead and successfully create your account. So guys, after you have created your account, come back to this page and go ahead and click download for desktop or mobile depending on what version and platform you're using. So go ahead and click download for desktop, and here you can select to either download for business or for school depending on what you need. So go ahead and download the one you need, and after you have downloaded guys and installed the Microsoft Teams, you will be greeted by this application right here when you open it, where you will be able to sign into your account. So guys, what you're going to do now is go ahead and enter the details that you have on your previous when signing in. So guys, as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and enter my info right here. Go ahead and enter my password. And then after entering that guys, you will see that now we are going to go ahead and successfully open up Microsoft Teams and log into your account. As you can see, we have logged in successfully. Here you can now go ahead and start creating your meetings or joining meetings and so on. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.